Hello, fellow traders. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where I stream all my trading every day. You can see my screen live. You can see me making trades live. Of course, you never know when I make the trades because I could be making the trades exactly when the situation appears, or maybe sometimes I'm not there. Provided there would be more people trying to engage and speaking to me, then I would probably be available more often. I am still streaming my, of course, provided that the technical conditions are fine and my internet connection doesn't drop or whatever. But we never know what might happen. So you are sincerely invited. The invitation is below in the descriptions. You just need to click on the link and join my the Dadas Trading Room Discord server. Now for the daily recap and what happened to on the DAX 30 index today. You see it's Monday and the DAX index opened up with a gap right here, a bullish gap. It made a higher high than on Friday, right? And then it started going back down. So it started moving, making a retrace, right? And it also made a lower low than before, right? Not lower than on Friday, but generally a lower one. Anyways, that happened. The final down thrust happened on the opening of the London session, and then the market they rebounced and started going up, systematically going up, made a new daily high somewhere near the opening of the New York session. This is half an hour, an hour and a half, an hour and a half before the opening of the New York session, or the American session generally, because it's also New York and Chicago, right? Anyways, the price retraced again, but it made sort of a lower low than this here low before, right? And then started pulling back up again. So started recovering. Also, we can see that right there, the market suddenly changed its dynamics. Totally changes dynamics. I mean, the dynamics are totally different than they were right there. And then it started sort of slowly pushing up with one jump, and again slowly pushing up, another jump, and another jump. And this is the where the now the market is. At least with my broker, there is a 1 hour break right now. Okay, so what did I do today? Well, first of all, when I got to the market, which was somewhere right around this level, I just asked the market the typical question that I'm asking. First I gotta change this one to the M15, because I was today I was kind of jumping between the M15 and M5 as my analytical chart. On my analytical chart, making measurements. I mean, asking questions to the market with my Dadas market communication interface. I was asking the market questions. So at this moment, I asked the market the question: market on the screen, tell me if it's red or green, right? Well, the market said, I don't know. And for a while, the market was saying, I don't know. And then, okay, it's fine. Where are we? Do I need to refresh something? Or where am I? I'm supposed to be right here. It's not showing what it's supposed to show. Or is it? Oh yeah, it is, because yeah. So basically, the market was saying that it's not at least at this point, it was strongly suggested. Well, first of all, it said it didn't know, right? But kind of like if you look at this trend right here, it's a clearly bullish trend. I mean, the lows are higher and higher, and that. So I figured out, then I have to ask it like this, right? Okay, so I asked the market like this, and seeing the price action as it was right here, I simply decided to go long. So I went long. Now let's change to the M5. Of course, I went long on the other chart, on my trading chart. But right now, I can check my trades on my analytical chart, right? So I simply went long right there. I mean, I said, okay, it looks like they're going long. I measured my DTR from this candle right there, and the market went long, right? So I just watched the market going long, and why did I close right here? I mean, yeah, the trade was opened normally from my expert advisor. That says Dada's trade ruler manager, right? Dada's trade ruler manager, DTRM. Okay. So why did I close right here? Because of the price action. I mean, because of this candle that was, almost reached my take profit and then started, jumping back down. So I figured out that over 20 pips is a nice result for me. So I closed it. As you can see, the market on the next candle moved up and then reached all the practical levels. Now, what happened right here on the next trade? On the next trade, I was already. I figured out that in this new situation, I have to make ask the market the question. From here, so because this is a new situation right now, right? So we got a new situation. We got some kind of highs before, right? So we can plot, let's say 100% right there, and I measured out my trade with the Dada's trade ruler, right? I measured out my trade with the Dada's trade ruler. You see that my take profit was right there, and again I closed the trade just before the take profit. Okay, well, no. Anyways, my trailing stop was already right there. You see my trailing stop right here was right there, and this one was already right there. And I figured out, okay, so basically this is twice the volume, because this was 0.4 lots, this is 0.8 lots, so this makes it 28 pips at 0.4 lots, right? So the profit was bigger than right there. This profit was bigger than this profit. Then I decided to keep watching the market to see what it's going to do. So I asked the question, right? I asked the right question. The market said that it would. The market said that basically it doesn't really want to go down. So I asked the new question. I got it. Yeah. Now, because I when I was doing the Polish version, I forgot where I clicked, where I had clicked, this is exactly where I had clicked it. So I asked the market the new question. The market said, okay, it pretty much looks like long, so I got in long, right? Again, from this candle right here. Measuring my ruler from this candle, and and you see that the take profit actually got opened somewhere up there, but this time I closed the trade because the price reached my theoretical price, closing price. So this trade was basically the best of those three, even though all of them were traded off the same rule of the same type of question, right? And trying to go from level to level. Well, like I say in my other videos, I won't always be able to get the best price. Yeah, so I won't always be able to enter at the price of this line. So I will be able to get some price. I mean, the closer to the line, the better, right? So yeah, so I got this trade. I was very satisfied with this result. Also, I had some other things to do outside, so I basically decided that I wouldn't trade anymore today, no matter what happens. I mean, I was still watching the market. I was still asking the questions. For example, I asked the question right there, where would the long be, right? And I could have traded another one right here. I mean, I don't really know because I don't remember the dynamics of this candle. I might have not been watching this exactly this closely, so I don't remember the dynamics of this candle. I don't know how fast it moved, so most probably I wouldn't be able to take this trade, right? Well, obviously after this kind of price action, we are asking the next question. Is it the market on the screen? Is it red or is it green? Right? So then we can ask this question when we get the new high. And after this, you see that the price action clearly showed, at least the market gave me the answer. For a moment, I don't know. I mean, I was there. I saw this situation. I was watching the situation right here. For a moment, I was thinking, well, maybe this market, because I was changing these measurements, asking the question like this. So right there, I had a thought, oh, maybe the market is going to continue up, but I said, okay, but the market is telling me that it doesn't know, right? Because it's in the zone. So yeah, so I waited for this. I waited this out, and I thought, here would be a good opportunity to get in short. And yeah, it was a very good opportunity, and there were enough pips. I mean, from level to level, there were 60 pips. So like, a possibility of getting at least 50, right? A very good opportunity, but I didn't take it because I figured out that I wouldn't be trading anymore. I wasn't looking for any opportunities right there, right? Because basically this is a breakout, so I should be asking the question on the breakout. The breakout says, at least after two candles, it already says, well, I don't know. After three more candles, it says, it looks more like long, yeah, then short, and I can click here, right? And yeah, and then I could do a number of things. I could do like measure this thing, not that much. Measure this as 100%, right? Because measure this as 100%. And then there were opportunities to go long, right? Obviously, the market is saying it's not short, it's long. So there were other opportunities to trade long. Even right there, another opportunity to trade long from level to level. But like I said, I wasn't even looking at this. I just left left one of the measurements on the screen, and when I came back, everything was the way it was supposed to be, I guess. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. Like I said, 3 trades, 3 very good trades. I'm very satisfied from the way I did it today. I actually did it the way that it is supposed to be done, without putting in any of my opinions. Right? I was just saying, yeah, this is a good opportunity because the market is showing me a lot more demand than supply. Yeah, and then I wasn't trading the supply. Maybe even the supply would have given me more pips and even a better trade. But yeah, whatever. Okay, so that's it for today. As usual, please like and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified about my videos. And also, like I say, join my Discord server because I'm waiting for people. I'm waiting for people that are ready to engage, that are ready to actually find out something and learn something about trading. And yeah, I'm just waiting for these people. Okay, so also if you would like to, please become my patron at patreon.com/Dada's trading system workshop, just written in one line, right? By the way, the link is below in the description. All links are below in the descriptions. So if you become my patron at a minimum of $5, $17 per month is preferable, but if you can't go by $17, I have a little promotion for non-Polish speakers. That's $5 per month. That will get you the VIP role on the Dada's Discord server and Dada's Trading Room Discord server. And you'll get lots and lots of very interesting bonuses, benefits, access to other interesting content, and all kinds of other possibilities. Okay, thanks a lot for today. I hope you're all well, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.